Okay, hello guys. So welcome again sa video natin. Today, tuturo ko sa inyo kung paano ba tayo mag-add ng payment dito sa ating business manager. Again guys, hindi tayo pwede makapag-run ng ads kung wala pa tayong payment method na inilagay dito guys. So, in order for us to do that, we need to go here sa baba, sa payments. And then, nakalagay ito, HBC Ads doesn't have any payment methods yet. So, we need to add a payment method. Just click here. And yun. Okay, so regarding din sa PayPal, I think hindi pa sila pwedeng gumamit ng PayPal since we are still new. But along the way, kung marami na tayong na-spend dito sa payment na sa business manager natin, then we can add a PayPal naman din. But actually, pag binigyan kayo ng access ng ad account, binigyan kayo ng client ng access sa mga ad account nila, hindi mo na kailangan mag-fill up nito kasi nga sa card naman nila din ang gagamitin natin to run their ads, right? So hindi naman sa atin na card. So kung may client na nag-advise sa iyo na ilagay mo yung credit card or yung debit card mo, please lang guys, huwag kayong pumayag kasi nga personal account niyo yan. Kasi usually naman kung i-hire ka ng isang business owner or client as a Facebook ads na freelancer, naka-ready na yan sa lahat guys, meaning naka-ready na yung business manager nila, naka-ready na yung card nila. So all you need to do is run the ads and you don't have to worry about this thing here. Okay, so kung personal naman business na gamitin mo, let's say for example yung parents mo or ikaw mismo na may business talaga locally or even internationally, I think you should go to this process talaga to dapat may idea ka rin kung paano ka ba mag-add ng credit card or debit card dito sa business manager na to. Okay, so I'm just gonna add my card here guys. So I'll just gonna pause this and be back after pagkatapos kong maglagay ng card details ko dito guys. Okay, so pause ko muna. Okay, so yun, natapos ko na ilagay yung card details ko. So I think we're ready to go and pwede na tayong makapost ng ads. And again guys, kung mag-ask ang client nyo to put your Visa or your Mastercard or your credit card or debit card, please huwag nyo gawin yan kasi may scam lang kayo. Okay? So sa next video natin guys, ituturo ko sa inyo kung paano ba tayo gagawa ng ads, pero I'm just gonna explain first kung ano ba yung ad account natin guys. Okay? So see you sa next video natin mga boss.